Hi, and welcome back to Clean Eating and Exercises with Ashley. Today we are going to do arms and abs with a foam roller. So you can use a foam roller, 3-pound weights. If you don't have a foam roller, that's fine. The roller is just going to help keep your balance, help your body find its center. That's the ab part. All right, so you are going to take that roller, lay it down, and then with your tailbone at the end, rest your head at the other end. Find your comfort. Pull your pelvis down, grab your weights if you have them. Arms up, palms facing each other. We are going to be dropping our arm right, and then we lift, and then left. Now, as you can see, we're only going to be dropping them to our hip. We're not going to go past that foam roller, just to our hip. Breathing. Let's drop one, stretching the arm long, and drop. Keep it up, looking at the ceiling. All right, let's do both arms. Drop and lift. You're gonna feel your pulled in core trying to find its balance. It's gonna kind of wobble side to side. I want you to keep that chest open and breathe. Let's just do a few more. All of these sets are gonna be in counts of 8. And last one. Good job. All right. Now we're going to go into a bicep curl, keeping your elbows squeezing at the side of your body, drawing the arm long to the hip, and then pulling it in to the shoulder, keeping those elbows elevated. You don't want them to fall past your body, keeping them right along. Continuing to breathe. Great job. Now, going into a 90. This is where it's going to get fun. We drop the elbow to the floor. We lift right to the side of our body. Dropping it, you're going to feel those triceps squeezing. We want to keep the chest open, so keep your shoulders back. Remember to breathe with the motion. Dropping, keeping your wrist stacked right over the elbow, arms in a 90. All right, bring them over your chest. Slight bend in that elbow. We're going to drop the right arm, and then we're going to lift. Now, as you drop to the other side and lift, you're going to drop the elbow past your shoulder. Your wrist is going to come in line with the shoulder. You're going to feel your body wanting to maybe sway to each side. Keep it centered. Hold your core. We're going into that fly. Both arms and raise up. Bringing them right over the center of the chest, keeping a bend in that elbow. Raise up. Breathing in as the arms open, breathing out as you bring them to meet each other. Excellent job. All right, straighten the elbows. Now, bend one elbow over the head, going back into triceps. Now, your hands, they were over your chest. You are drawing them closer to the front of your face and then bending at the elbow, reaching that weight over your head. Keeping that elbow stacked over the shoulder. Good. Let's do both and lift. Both and lift. I want you to glue those weights together, because what you're going to find is probably one arm is stronger than the other. So push the weights together and move down as one unit, going over and up. Yes. Breathing. Excellent job. Now straighten the arm. We're killing these arms right now. Bringing them over your head. You have locked that elbow again. You are drawing the arm past your head. Now, when we first started, we dropped the arm to our hip. Now we're going to be reaching over our head. Good. Stretching that arm long. Continuing to breathe. Look up. And let's do both arms. Take your time. You're going to want to slow down both arms. You're going to maybe feel a wobble with that foam roller. Remember, pull in your core. Tuck that pelvis, neutral spine on the back. That is the ab portion of this workout. It's very arm focused, but the abs, your core, keeping your body stable. Yes. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You are nearing the end. And relax. Good job. Put the weights to the side. Put your arms by the side of your body and slowly roll up. Again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this workout with the foam roller. Again, make sure you hit subscribe and make sure that you check out my next video.